G'day everybody, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. Sit in the shed. Been going through, I've got lots of bits of wood here at the moment. I've been madly cutting up blanks from a stash that I got into, and I need to make space. So one of the things I could do, which I'm going to do, is turn a heap of my rough turn bowls out. So this one's a little bit of Banksia, a small Banksia bowl. Should be a fairly quick turn this week, and we'll just get into it and do it pretty much real time. Enjoy! So the first part of the process is I'll true up the rim, then I'll put a little mortise inside to be able to grab it with the chuck, turn it round, do the outside, turn it back round, do the inside, and Bob's your uncle. Well, what's Dale say? Robert's your mother's brother. I really don't know what happened there. I've shaped the outside, formed the tenon, ready to sand. So that was just a quick blow, literally 5 minutes work. Quick blow with the spindle gouge. That's ready to sand now. I'll sand it and then we'll put some finish on it. $120, $180 next if I can find it. Go and get some. So 120, 180. $240. Feels lovely. Tongue oil. So Turn SA is coming up in a few weeks, and I will have then some of Dale's favourite custom grit #2 to try. So I'll be giving that a bit of a burl. Picked that up, or ordered that when we went to Dale's demo at Pop Shed. Alright, I'll turn this around, change the chuck, and we'll do the inside. make sure the camera's on set. I am just going to, even though it's only a little bit in the bottom, I'll give myself a bit of a depth hole so I know what I've got to work with. There's not an awful lot, but that's okay. Ready for sanding again. So there we have it. Nice little Banksia bowl. It's finished up at, where are we? So it's about 4.5 inches, 115 mil by 2 inches, 50 mil. Nice little snack bowl. Lovely colours through that. So thank you very much for coming along and having a look at Workshop Wednesday this week. Sorry about not having one up last week. I did start a different project, but went for the smaller, quicker one this week just to get it, make sure I got it done. I have a willow bowl that'll be up next week. It's rough turned as well. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share, do all those nice things, and I will see you next week.